Hello and welcome to another Tech Articles. This one is another quick tip. This is fixing another issue about downloading favicons. I've written a small PHP snippet that should fix the problem. I can't guarantee it'll work with every favicon and the Google API, but actually I've tested it with dozens now and it appears to work every time. I'm going to test a random 20 domains that were generated by ChatGPT. I haven't checked these yet, so I'll put them on screen and then I'll go through what we're going to do. So these are our domains that I'm going to go through. We'll see what happens, and if any of them fail, and then I'll see if I can fix it if they do. This is all based on a snippet. This snippet here, which is called Download Favicon to Medium Library. I will add it to my gist for you. It uses the same Google Favicon downloader that was recommended by Natin, and it basically adds it automatically. There's no additional FlowMattic stuff needed to add it to the media library here. This is all done within the PHP snippet. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go back to our workflow. I've started on a schedule of every hour. It's irrelevant. I wanted to test the PHP function. And all I've done is I've pre-programmed that in with the function name. I put individual variables, domain, because domain is what it takes. If we go back to the snippet, you see it takes domain, and then that's where it begins. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to test these one after the other with domain. I'm going to save and test it, and if this one works, we will find out in a second. Taking a long time. Maybe it doesn't have one. Nothing in the media library. We'll give it a time. Well, interestingly, I don't think example.com has a favicon, and that is why it's locked up. Nothing's appeared in the web icon, and I've just visited it on my phone and I couldn't see one. I'm going to put Wikipedia in next, which is number 2 on the list, and test our action, and that works straight away. So you might want to add some additional error looking to this so that it checks that it has a favicon first. I don't know if that API gives some sort of response. If it doesn't, I haven't looked. I'm going to add one more, save and test, and that one's worked as well. I'm going to do this one next. Yeah, that worked. I'm going to do BBC. I know they've got one, so let's save and test. Yeah, I'm going to do Stack Overflow next. I believe they have one. Yeah, that worked. GitHub next. Now what I could have done is I could have put these in an array and done it that way. But actually this is probably easier and quicker than going through making an array and running the array through for an iterator. Again, I'm just going to quickly go through every one of these. I might not even do them all, but it seems to work quite well according to this. I haven't checked the media library yet. And I'll tell you what, I'll do 2 more, which is this Reddit, then 1 more, then Forbes, and I'll stop. And then I'll maybe do WordPress.org as last. Just as we go, I'll tell you what, I'll do SoundCloud as last. That's the last on the list. So let's do that one. So I've skipped a few here, but this can get boring watching me do this as a quick tip, and this is meant to be a quick tip. I'm going to go to my media library and I'm going to refresh it, and they are all there. So hopefully this helps fix your problem and is useful. Yeah, thanks very much. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, subscribe.